Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone, and today I would like to tell about a very interesting book to increase your everyday productivity without any stress. We do have many things to be done in every day. So in our day-to-day life, we have many things to be managed. So there may be our work-related things, or they may be related to our family or friends, or much more. So, are we really doing that, all those things productively? Yes, most of us will definitely say no. So, in order to do all those things perfectly in a productive manner, David Allen has come up with a very interesting book called Getting Things Done. So in that he has clearly explained how we can overcome this kind of situation where we are piled up with many things in our day. So how we can manage all those things to be done. So before getting into the details, we must know three things in this. The very first thing is managing your memory in your mind. So you don't need to store all the memory, like you don't need to store everything in your brain, like some kind of facts or any some kind of external data, because we do have Google where we can search many things in that. Instead of that, try to use your mind for creating some ideas, some new thoughts, so that it will help us to improve our productivity every day. So very first thing we should know is, don't waste your memory in storing unnecessary or external things, which we get that data from any other source. And the next thing is, your mind is like a water. It always flow. It is not stable at one place. So we need to know that we should stable that mind in one particular work. If we are doing any particular work, whatever it may be, for example, if I am doing this video, my 100% concentration, or my brain should be 100% in doing this video, not on other things. So in this way, our mind should be on the work whatever we are doing at that particular point of time. It should not get diverted to any other things. And the third thing is, we should carve out our uh, any other things in our mind when we are doing any other work. Like for suppose, if I have said that, like in particular point of time, maybe for 20 minutes I need to complete one particular work. So meanwhile I got some mails or some messages from my friends on WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever it may be, or through mail. So obviously what we do is, we as that is something, we get the notification, we simply, our mind simply divert to that and we'll check that. But here we should not do that. We should not divert from the process which we have set. So for that 20 minutes I should concentrate only on what I want to do. So these three things we should keep in our mind in order to follow the next steps which we need to make our everyday productive. So the very first step is capturing or collecting the data, or the things which we need to do on that particular day. As I said, we need not store our memory for remembering all these things. So what we have many things in our mind once we wake up. So we may have one of our very best friend's birthday on that particular day. We have many lot of work to be managed on that particular day, or we need to have a health checkup to our parents, or we need to pay many bills on that particular day. So all these things our mind cannot organize. So what we need to do is, we need to put all those things on a paper, or on any app. We do have many apps nowadays, like Notion or some other thing. We can put all those things in that, like externally, in any paper or any other system or anything. And the very next thing is the process. So we should know what are all the things are really actionable or non-actionable. Okay, so in you have some 10 to 15 things to be done on that particular day. As I said, there is one of your friends' birthday on that particular day. Yes, definitely it is actionable, but at the same time you have some other work to be done. So how much time will it take to wish your friend, or to complete that one? Based on that, you need to set one process. And after that, you should organize all those things in a proper way based on the time or based on the context or based on the priority, like based on all these things we need to organize everything, maybe related to healthcare thing we need to organize in a particular manner, or related to your work you need to set in a particular manner. In this way, if you organize everything, then you will come to know at what time you need to do that particular work or that particular thing. And the very next thing is review. So whatever the things you have done on that particular day or on that particular week, maybe on Saturday or Sunday, once you review, you will get to know what are all the things are still pending from your end. So what's the reason you could not complete it. So once you have a review on those things, then from the next day you can start doing that, which is nothing but engaging on all those things. So in this way, when you review all those things, you will come to know whatever or wherever areas you need to manage, and you can do things easily. So these are all the 5 steps which you need to do every day in order to increase your productivity, or in order to make your things done. So try to follow all these things and try to be effective, and try to start this from the day one, or from today, like it is almost end of the day, maybe by tomorrow try to start this. I have started it already, and you please start it and experience the productivity or experience the results out of that. Yeah, thank you.